Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today on Tuesday, August the 27th, 2024. We have here three regular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the JigSaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Let me show you. 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Now I will start with these 3 regular puzzles. News of today, well, a dam collapses in Sudan. Yeah, a dam. I believe at least 30 people died. Yeah. It's about the heavy rain and the floods. Yeah, climate change. We need to protect the climate. Almost every month we have a disaster with the climate. Anyway, let me start with the first one. Number 9163. 9163, and before I start I always count the printed digits. This one has 27 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one is 27. 2 digits more. Should be a 1-star puzzle. For 1-star puzzle I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 1-star or a 3 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Let me see which number can I pick. How about 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row, so the third row. Sorry, 2 in the third row, 2 in the first row, so the row between the second row. Only 3 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. The only place left for the 2 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the third row, no 4 there, 4 should be here. Then 8 here. Let me think. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be here. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 6. Here can be 6, we have 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here can be 6, we have 6 in this column, no 6 there. The only place left for the 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7, 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. Cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 6. Alright. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column, so the column between. The only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 2 in this column, last column, 2 in the column next, so that column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing. The 6 and the 7 is missing. 5 and the 7. 5 and the 7 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Then 3 in this row, 3 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3, 3. We have a pair. We have a pair in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the... No. Again, the 6 and the 3. We have a 6 and a 3 in this row, so no 6 and a 3 in these 2 boxes. We have a 6 and a 3 in this column, no 6 and a 3 in those 2 boxes. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the 6 and the 3 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. Alright, so 7 and 5, we need a 9 here. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. On the last column, the only place left for 9 should be here. So 2 numbers left here, the 7 and the 5. Let me mark those. Then. 5, 2. Yeah. In the 5. In the 4 here. In the 4 there. How about? Need a 1 here. Well, need an 8 here. Two numbers left in this column, the 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5 is left. Okay. 6, 3. Well, in this big square we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left with 8 could be here, could be there. Come on. 8. Well. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column, so the fifth column, the only 2 places left with 5 could be here, could be there. You have all 2s. No, 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here and there. We have 2 in the third column, no 2 there, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 there. Come on. 1, 5. We have a 9 in this row, 9 in that row, so the row between the middle row, the only place left for 9 should be there. And I've eliminated here the 5, so the 5 goes there. Well, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 in this big square should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 1 and the 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so can it be 5 anymore? This box should be a 1, and that box in this column should be a 5. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8. Let me mark those. That means we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So this box can't be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. 2 numbers left in this middle row for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing, 8 is missing, 7, 8. The other pair in this big square, the numbers, the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, okay? 2 numbers left here in this column, I believe the 7 and 8. We have an 8 in the second row, no 8 there. So the 8 should be here, 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, we have 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column, so the column between the second column, no, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then let me see. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there, 6 should be there. So 2 numbers left in the last row for numbers 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 7. 7 and 8, we have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. 7 or a 5, we have a 5 now, so this box should be a 7. Here should be the 1 and a 5 left. Let me mark those. 8, need an 8 here or there. We have an 8 in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. Mark those 2 boxes with 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row, so the third row, the only place left for 5 should be there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next, so that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so the third row, only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the second column, no 1 there, 1 should be here, 1 in the first column, 1 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing, 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. We have a 3 in the first column, no 3 there. We should be here, and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in the third column for numbers. 1, the 2, 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. We have a 4 in the first row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 6 and a 3, we have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left now in the third row for number 1, the 2, 3, 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing, 6 and 7, 6 and 7. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there, finishing 12 minutes. Well. Not the 3, not the 2, not the 1. It should be a 0 stars. I'm faster than 14, 13 minutes. So well pleased with the time, and I like this one, so really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles, the 4 stars and the JigSaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.